Welcome everyone to What's Happening in Crypto, exploring all of the latest from the crypto world and beyond. Big oil is going big on blockchain. Great. IBM is teaming up with the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, or ADNOC for short, to create a blockchain supply chain system. The blockchain solution is currently only in its pilot phase, but this is no small announcement for ADNOC, as ADNOC has a daily output of about 3 million barrels of oil and 10.5 billion cubic feet of natural gas. ADNOC's digital unit manager had the following to say about the blockchain pilot. Blockchain is a game changer. It will substantially reduce our operating costs by eliminating time-consuming and labor-intensive processes. It will strengthen the marketing and trading of our products and create long-term sustainable value. The blockchain solution will also enable the ability to track irrefutably every molecule of oil and its value from well to customer, also reducing the time it takes to execute transactions between ADNOC's operating companies and significantly increase operational efficiencies and provide even greater transparency to the industry. Now, all of this sounds really exciting, doesn't it? And it kind of is. But then I remember that this is blockchain for oil. Yes, it will increase revenue for ADNOC, and it may increase efficiency of delivery and hopefully reduce waste, which is all good. And I welcome any efficiencies in the industry. But the tough pill to swallow is that oil is a sunset industry that is being desperately clung to in an attempt to extract a little bit more wealth before the renewable revolution takes place. Things like electric vehicles, microgrid power infrastructure are all poised to take over in the coming years. The tough reality is that today, though, though we have a boom in renewables, the infrastructure is sorely lacking in many places globally, and oil is here to stay with us for some time going into the future, especially since so many politicians are so deep in the pockets of big oil or simply lack the courage to make better regulation for a cleaner future. While this may be the first oil blockchain solution, I have a suspicion that it will not be the last oil blockchain solution. But what we really need, though, is more projects like Power Ledger, WePower, and Sun Contract. These are companies which are working hard every day to democratize the production of electricity using blockchain technology. And while these projects are still in their earliest stages, this is the future of energy, not oil. Blockchain on oil is like putting blockchain on the horse and buggy industry. Interesting, sure, but it's not the way of the future. The third industrial revolution will not be an oil-based one. It simply can't be. Oil is already operating on borrowed time. Now, so long as no one comes up with a plan to block out the sun, though, the renewable revolution should be basically unstoppable.
Well, sir, you've certainly vanquished all your enemies, the elementary school, the local tavern, the old age home. You must be very proud.
No, not while my greatest nemesis still provides our customers with free light, heat, and energy. I call this enemy the sun.
Thanks so much for watching the video. I would love to know your thoughts on the Abu Dhabi blockchain project down below in the comment section. If you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. If you want to know when I drop a new video, you can hit that notification bell down below. And if you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up on it. Come and join the conversation over on Twitter. Just a reminder, you guys are super awesome. I love you all. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.